Okay, as promised, in this video we're going to calculate the probability that you get at least 1/6 in 4 rolls of one die, which we calculated to be 52%, or the probability of getting at least 1/12, 2 sixes, in 24 rolls of 2 dice, which we calculated to be 0.49 or 49%. But this time we're going to do it by considering 1 6, 2 sixes, 3 sixes, or 4 sixes. And here we'll calculate the same thing. And we should get the same answer. It's much more complicated. Here's how it goes. So this probability here is equal to, well, if you get 1/6, there's a 1/6 of a chance to be getting that, and if you get 3 non-sixes, that's 5 out of 6 cubed. But we have to multiply by the number of ways that the 6 can be rearranged, and that's where combinations come in. One notation is this, another notation is that, and the formula is right here. So for example, if I want to calculate C41 or C41 like that, it's equal to 4 factorial over 3 factorial and 1 factorial using this formula. And that, of course, is just 4, because the 3 factorial cancels all but the 4 there. So we have to multiply this by 4. Plus the probability of getting 2 sixes, so there's 1 out of 6 squared times 5 out of 6 squared, and the number that goes here is C42, and if you work that out you get 6, plus if you get 3 sixes, that's 1 over 6 cubed times 5 over 6 to the 1, and the number for 643 is also 4. And finally, if we calculate the odds of getting, or the number of ways you can get 4 sixes, it's 1 over 6 to the 4. The coefficient is 1, and that's 5 over 6 to the 0, so that's also 1. And if you add these up, I've got the numbers here, that's 4 times 0.0965 plus 6 times 0.0193 plus 4 times 0.0039 plus 0.0008 to 4 decimal places, and that adds up to approximately 0.52. So that is correct. Now let me just pause the video, clean the board, and I'll do the next one. Okay, I'm back. Let's do this probability here. Well, if we get 1/12, we have to choose how many ways we can rearrange 24 rolls with 1/6. So that's 35 out of 36. 1 out of 36 for the odds of getting a 12 times 35 over 36 to the 23. So there's a total of 1 plus 23, 24 rolls, plus C24(2), 1 over 36 squared, because we're going to get 2 sixes, times 35 over 36 to the 22. Again, 2 plus 22 equals 24, plus C 24, 3 ways of rearranging 3 6s, 3 12s I should say. So that's 1 over 36 cubed times 35 over 36 to the 21, plus finally C 24 4 times 1 over 36 to the 4 times 35 over 36 to the 20. And I have those numbers as well. So the C24 one is 24, and this number is 0.0145. You can check all these numbers, of course. It's easy to make a mistake, so you might have to double check. This is 276, that C24-2, times 0.00042. I put an extra decimal there. Plus, this is 2024 for C24-3 times 0.000012, and the last one is, I'll put it down here, 10,626 times 0.00000034. And now that works out to be 0.3488 plus 0.1146 plus 0.0240, and finally 0.0036, for a grand total of, you guessed it, 49%, or 0.49. So there you have it. That's the long way. It's more fun, but it's also trickier. You have to be so careful you don't make a mistake. Alrighty, see you next time.